President Emmerson Mnangagwa is further undermined his deputy, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, dealing another blow to the former army general, fading presidential ambitions by expelling several senior ZANU-PF officials linked to him. Sabida mashko bdanyo kwa chinzi ET Weekends VP Chiwenga no subscribe or like or tomba bell icon. Timina mzim aimu bdanyo kwa mchinzi. The latest peg was confirmed during the just ended 22nd ZANU-PF annual National People's Conference in Mutare, where delegates endorsed the expulsion of 5 high-ranking party members. Among them, Liberation War veteran and former Central Committee member Richard Geza, once a loyal stalwart of the ruling party. Geza, yet in recent years, become an outspoken critic of Mnangagwa's leadership and the government's style. According to the Central Committee report tabled by Mnangagwa, the conference ratified a series of disciplinary measures, including expulsions, suspensions, and demotions. ZANU-PF National Chairperson and head of the National Disciplinary Committee, Opamchunguri Kashiri, revealed that the party had handled 30 disciplinary cases during the review period, including 2 appeals. Those expelled, including Geza and Gifford Gomwe from Mashonaland West Province, both accused of undermining the authority of the president. Others removed were Kudakwashe Gopi of Mashugo Province, Victor Maningi, and Spencer Mutero from Harare Province. As the party prepares for its next Congress, observers warn that the widening rift between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga could threaten internal cohesion and ignite military political tensions within the ruling establishment. The latest expulsion marked a decisive phase in Mnangagwa's consolidation of power, but also risk alienating powerful figures within the army and war veterans circles, a development that could destabilize the delicate balance underpinning Zimbabwe's post-coup politics. Most of the people who are loyal to VP Constantino Chiwenga they were expelled, they were demoted, in the ruling party ZANU-PF nokuda allegiance kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga. Nakuma section medu mafunguro enyi mutulipa msoro pe chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.